It's been really fun. I don't know if that's the right word to use, but yeah, I wasn't entirely too sure what to expect coming in today. This is the first time that our company has kind of invested in a stand of this size, this magnitude for the event that we've got going on this week. So Social Sync is an all-in-one fundraising platform. So we're there to support charities, specifically charities that are looking to grow their mass participation fundraising. So when they're going out to the public and doing fundraising campaigns. The conference that we'll be going to over the course of this week is the Chartered Institute of Fundraising's Fundraising Convention. Which is a 2-day event, and it's focused on all different streams of charity fundraising. So the stuff that we do, but lots of other bits and pieces as well. So we'll be one of the kind of main sponsors. It's taller than I thought. I don't think I really understood how tall 4 meters was. So it's going to be great. Again, it's going to stand out from the crowd at the convention this week. Love the light up touches that you've got kind of all around the stand, to be fair. And my favourite part is still the game. I know that's the one bit of the stand that doesn't tell anyone what Social Sync does as a company, but I can't wait to see kind of the crowds gather around to play the game that we've been able to build into the stand. What I really wanted to do is take that next step up. So what we have ran for the past 3 or 4 years at the convention has been like a standard shell scheme, which has been supplied by the convention and by the partners that they've got. What I found, so I've worked for this company for about a year, but what I found going to the convention last year was that we were very much part of everybody else, if that made any sense. So our stand blended in with everybody else that was there. And obviously we tried to stand out by being bright colours, and we tried to stand out by being a great product. But it's clear in a trade show like that if you have a stand that brings people towards you, vision for the stand was to have something that was kind of larger than it has been before. So taller, brighter, stands out, more lights, all of that kind of stuff, which has definitely been achieved. The game, obviously, as I've said, I wanted something that was interactive and that would bring people to the stand to see, oh, what is this weird light up thing that's going on? No, Greg was amazing. I've never built a stand before. I saw some of the videos that you sent over to me beforehand, but yeah, Greg took me through everything patiently, but we managed to do it in a lot faster than I thought it was going to be to build as well. Gave me some good tips on how to not bend these things as well. So now I know that come tomorrow when I'm setting it up for real, it's going to be a pretty straightforward experience for the rest of the team. So yeah, it's been great, easy to follow, and yeah, really happy with it. It's been really good. The team have been really supportive all the way through, to be fair, not even just today. The team have answered my questions when I needed the questions answered. As I said, it's the first time that our company has been through a process like we've gone through here to get this stand. And the team have answered the questions. Yoon has been more than happy to pick up the phone and just have a chat with me if anything wasn't clear, which was really, really nice. So yeah, generally a really, really great experience.